Hi loves, Janet here. If you're over 40 and energy is in the gutter, your skin won't glow. And you keep telling yourself, oh, I'll start tomorrow. Been there, done that. Stop. This video is your shortcut. One juicing session, a whole week of wellness shots lined up in the fridge. Zero excuses, zero powders, zero gas station detox lies. I'm using my Breville juice fountain. Fast, powerful, easy cleanup. 9 ingredients, all gold. Let me show you the exact order I juice them in and what each one does for your body. So now let's start getting ready to juice. As you can see, I have all of my vegetables and fruits cut up. I made sure that I cleaned everything. Make sure that you do remove the core and the seeds from your apples and clean the beets and the carrots really well because those grow on the ground, so they have a lot of dirt. So the reason that I do cut the vegetables up is because we want to give assistance to the Breville machine or any juicing machine that you're using. The order that I'm putting the fruits and vegetable in also helps the machine do its job and work a lot more powerful. So let's start feeding the Breville.
Ingredients in the exact order you juice them. First, celery. It's watery and gets the juicer flowing. It's a hydration hero, 95% water plus natural electrolytes. It's anti-inflammatory, it supports digestion and beats bloat overnight. Almost 0 calories and it's loaded with potassium. Leafy greens go second. Spinach. You're going to push them through with the apple, so don't worry. Spinach is full of iron and magnesium for sustained real energy. It has vitamin K for bone strength. That's a non-negotiable for women over 40. It has folate for cellular repair and brain health. Now you're going to put in your Granny Smith apples. This is the hard fruit that's going to push the rest of the spinach through the chute. Granny Smith apples have lower sugar than red apples. It won't spike your blood glucose. Pectin fiber feeds healthy gut bacteria. Quercetin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. That tart bite keeps the juice from tasting like dessert. Now we're going to add in the carrots. Carrots are full of beta-carotene. Vitamin A. What does that mean? Glowing skin and sharper vision. It supports the immune system. It is naturally sweet, but it's very gentle on blood sugar. Antioxidants that literally slow visible skin of aging. Now we're going to go in with some beets. This is the powerhouse for this juice. Beets are amazing for your body, but hold on 1 minute.
So, as you can see, stop for a minute. Look at all those beautiful colors. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty this out in a bigger container and then I'll mix everything up when I finish making the juice, because I am making a lot of juice because I'm going away, so I'm leaving my husband with some shots so he can have them every morning. He loves his shots every morning. So let me get a container and we're gonna keep on going. Let's put this back. Let's keep going with those wonderful beets. Did you see that color? I love it. Every time I use them, it's amazing. I just love beets, especially in my juice.
Beets have nitric oxide boost. What does that mean? Better blood flow, lower blood pressure, more stamina. It's a port for your liver. Your liver does the detoxing. Give it some tools. Folate plus iron for energy without jitters, and betalains. It's an anti-inflammatory pigments that fight cellular damage. Now we're gonna go in with some Red Delicious apples. I'll be real with you. Red Delicious isn't the most nutrient-dense apple. Granny Smith and Honeycrisp beat it in antioxidants, but it still brings real benefits. Heart-supporting flavonoids, vitamin C, and antioxidants in the skin. Never peel your apples. Now we're gonna go in with some ginger. Ginger crushes inflammation from head to toe, kills nausea, soothes the gut, beats bloat. It boosts circulation, straightens your skin, and your immune system loves it. Then I'm going to go in with some lime. Lime is full of vitamin C for collagen and immunity, alkalizes the body, helps your body absorb the iron from the spinach, and cuts the earthy beet flavor and brightens the finish. Then oranges. Oh boy. Vitamin C bomb for immunity and collagen production. Hydration plus potassium for steady all day energy.
And I poured it all into this big jar. I want to get everything mixed before I start putting it into the little jars that I have. And I'll refrigerate them. Wow, look at that. Here it is. Liquid gold. Look at that color. That's not filter, that's nutrition right here. Now here's what we do with it. We're going to line up our little glasses and fill them up. And you can always use this if your hands feel unsteady. I just put it out because sometimes I can't do it. Not with my hands, you know how it is. This menopause just destroys all your muscles and your bones. But I seem to be doing it today, so let's keep our fingers crossed. So now you're gonna fill all of these up, and then you're going to refrigerate them. This is what real self-care looks like, ladies. No bubble baths and bullshit. Real nutrients, real energy, real glow that shows up on your face inside a week. Take a shot of this every morning and tell me if you don't feel different. I dare you. If this helped you, smash that button, drop glow in the comments so I know you're with me, and tag your friend who's been complaining about her energy. She needs this. For more wellness and skincare obsessions, head to detoxbodyskinandmind.com. Links are in the description. Stay glowing, stay grounded, and stay the hell away from anything labeled detox tea at the gas station. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Hey, wait! Don't throw those peels away. Simmer them with cinnamon and a bay leaf. Bye-bye plugins. Hello, natural glow.